Have you ever imagined owning a tool capable of transforming any DIY project into a work of art? With astonishing ease and unmatched precision, let me introduce you to the world of the Scheppach HS110 circular saw, a marvel of technology that is revolutionizing the woodworking industry. Hold on, because what you are about to discover will not only spark your interest, but could very well change the way you view DIY. If you are interested, feel free to click the link in the description now to learn more about these unique features, see hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, and order your own right away. The Scheppach HS110 circular saw is as ideal for passionate DIYers and professionals seeking precision and versatility in their woodworking projects. This tool is perfect for those who want to combine performance and ease of use at the heart of their workshop. At the heart of this innovation is a powerful 2000-watt motor powered by an electric cable, capable of tackling the toughest challenges you present to it. Imagine being able to effortlessly cut pieces of wood as hard as oak or walnut thanks to an impressive rotation speed, and this is just the beginning. This circular saw is not only powerful, but it is also designed to meet all your requirements. Its 254mm high-speed steel blade, along with a depth adjustment system, provides a cutting height of up to 87mm. Whether you need to make perfect straight cuts or precise angles, this saw is the ideal tool. Flexibility is at your fingertips with the table extensions on the left and right, significantly increasing your workspace to handle even the largest pieces of wood. But what makes this circular saw truly indispensable for DIY enthusiasts and professionals? It is its ability to deliver performance and safety without compromise. The blade guard, angle guide, and parallel guide included ensure safe use while optimizing the precision of your cuts. Furthermore, its compact design does not compromise its stability thanks to its robust construction, ensuring you peace of mind even in the most demanding tasks. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of reviews from extremely satisfied customers. Add to this an adjustable working height, and ease of movement thanks to its lightweight design, and you have a table circular saw that not only meets your needs but anticipates them. Whether you are in your workshop or outdoors, the HS110 adapts to your environment, allowing you to bring your projects to life with great ease. But don't just take our word for it. With a rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars based on over 1,600 reviews, users of the Scheppach HS110 circular saw share a common enthusiasm for its quality, reliability, and ease of use. It is a powerful testimony to the positive impact that this Scheppach HS110 circular saw can have on your work. Don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to learn more about these unique features. Order it now at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. Now let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1: compactness and lightness. Easy to move and position in different workspaces, providing great flexibility. Advantage number 2: high power. The 2000-watt motor allows for efficient work with different types of wood, including the hardest. Advantage number 3: table extension. Increases the work surface to easily handle large pieces of wood. Advantage number 4: precise adjustment. The height and angle of the blade can be adjusted for custom cuts. Advantage number 5: optimized safety. Equipped with a blade guard and guide for safer use. Now let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1: it requires an electrical power source. Its dependence on a power cord can limit mobility in certain workspaces. In conclusion, the Scheppach HS110 circular saw is not just a tool. It is the partner you have always dreamed of for completing your DIY projects with unmatched precision and ease. If this presentation has convinced you of the presence of the Scheppach HS110 circular saw in your workshop, don't wait any longer. Click on the link in the description to order at the best price, learn more, and see the thousands of customer reviews that attest to its superiority. Your workshop deserves the best, and with the Scheppach HS110 circular saw, the best is within reach. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon.